For today's Tech Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to organize your assignments on Google Classroom, how to bulk add assignments to your Google Classrooms, and how to reuse a post that you already made in one of your Google Classrooms that you possibly want to repost in the same one or use in another. So first, I'm going to open up one of my Google Classrooms. I'm going to go to Classwork, and here's where I can organize all of my assignments. So for the beginning of the year assignments, I had it titled for beginning of the year. That way I knew that that's where all of my inventories were, my surveys, my class contract, and a get to know you activity. I have my Friday weekly check-ins activities, my do now, my classwork. If you want to, you can definitely organize it by what unit or lesson you're working on. So if you are a science teacher, for example, and you are working on cross-cutting concepts, you can make your label cross-cutting concepts, and any activities that your students are going to do during that time can go under that label. In order to make a label, you can click on Create and Topic, type it in, and it will add. Or when you create an assignment, you will have the option over here to create a topic in that moment if you don't already have it made. So if I want to ask a question to my students, but I want to ask it to all of my students in all of the classes that I teach, I can do the following. First, I'm going to type in my question. What are you excited for this week? And I'm going to add in a little picture. So I just simply took a screenshot. I'm going to have it be a short answer. It's not going to be graded. There's not going to be a due date. And I'm going to put it under due now. I'm going to let my students reply to each other. If I don't want them to be able to, I can just uncheck that. If I want students to be able to go back and edit their answer, we can do that, but for this assignment, it's not important. So over here, if I want to uncheck students and have them not get the question that I'm posing, I can uncheck them there. But for this assignment, I want all of my students to have it. And so I'm going to actually assign it to not only all my students in this class, but into all of the classes I teach today. So I'm going to just check off all of these classes. And as you notice, I can no longer select which students will and will not get it. It's just going to bulk upload to those classes. When I do that, I also lose the ability to schedule the posts. So that is one thing to keep in mind when you want to bulk upload an assignment or a question. If, for instance, I did not want to add this to all of my classes and I wanted to schedule my post, typically what I like to do is have the assignment or question posted maybe 5 minutes before class starts, and I get my notifications from Google Classroom telling me when something was posted so that I can double check and make sure that things went smoothly with uploading the post. So that's just a personal preference of mine. What I really like about Google Classroom is that they remember what time I picked for each class. So if my class starts at 9:08 and I want this to post at 9 a.m., I never have to put 9 a.m. here. It's just saved. All I have to do is pick which day I want this question to be posted. So again, I want this to go to all of my classes. So I will check these all off. And then I'm going to click on Ask. It's going to take a little longer for bulk posts to be uploaded. So if it seems to be taking a couple extra seconds, don't worry. It just has to post to those classes. And then if you check down here, you can see that it was posted under my Do Now. And another thing that you can do for assignments is reuse a post. For instance, I reuse a Friday weekly check-in each week. So if I click on this and click reuse, it's going to bring this up for me. I'm going to make sure that a copy is made for each student. I'm going to make sure that it goes under the correct topic. This is an ungraded assignment. There's no due date. I don't have to worry about plagiarism. All my students are going to get it. And again, I can schedule my post if needed. You can also repost any type of announcement or posts that you make in your stream just by clicking on these arrow buttons. So if you, for instance, put a picture of your schedule for students and you want that to go on your other Google Classrooms, you can select which class that post was in, click on it, and then post it to your Google Classroom. If you have any questions about organizing your assignments, uploading assignments, or reusing posts, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week.